To install a printer in your computer, first of all, click on Start button in your computer and then left click on the control panel. From the control panel, select Hardware and Sound. Then select Device and Printer and left click on it. Now left click, you will be finding Add Printer option. In Add Printer, two option is there, one for local printer and other for network printer. Select the local printer and click on it and select the port like LPT1, LPT2 or COM. Now click on the drop down list and select your printer. Say for example HP LaserJet. Then give the name to your printer if you want to change. Now click the next button on it. Now your printer is being installed. Select for the sharing of your printer, or for not sharing, click on the next button and finish it. In this way you can install your printer. Thank you.